Welcome to Nature's Cure TV, your guide to healing through the power of herbs, roots, and leaves. In every plant, nature hides a secret, and today we uncover one of them together. Today we are going to talk about miracle leaf, which is known as Ewe Abamoda by the Yoruba people, scientifically known as Bryophyllum Pinnatum. Bryophyllum Pinnatum is a powerful medicinal plant widely used in traditional herbal medicine. The leaf is packed with natural compounds such as alkaloids, which help in pain relief and act against infection. 2. Flavonoids, which also serves as antioxidants and fight inflammation and builds immunity. 3. Tannins. It is good for wound healing and stopping bleeding. 4. Saponins. It's an antimicrobial and it builds immunity and aid digestion. 5. Glycosides. It supports the heart and overall wellness. 6. Phenols. It's a strong antioxidant. Now, let's talk about the benefits of miracle leaf. 1. Wound healing. When crushed and applied to the wounds, it stops bleeding and speeds up healing. 2. Respiratory health. It is effective in cough, asthma, and bronchitis. 3. Kidney health. It is known to dissolve or prevent kidney stones. 4. Stomach disorders. It is used for ulcer, diarrhea, and indigestion. 5. Anti-inflammatory. It reduces swelling, joint pain, and arthritis. 6. Fever and malaria. It helps reduce body temperature and fight infections. 7. Blood pressure. It supports heart and blood vessel health. 8. Immune boosting. It is good for general body strengthening. Now, let's dive into 5 preparations of Bryophyllum Pinnatum, which is also known as miracle leaf in herbal medicine. 1. Fresh leaf juice. Wash 3 to 5 fresh leaves, squeeze or blend to extract juice. Take 1 to 2 spoons for cough, asthma, or stomach issues. 2. Leaf decoction. Boil 7 to 10 leaves in 2 cups of water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Drink half a cup twice daily for fever, kidney stone, or stomach pain. 3. Poultice. Crush fresh leaves and apply directly to wounds, boils, insect bites, or swelling. It reduces pain and promotes healing. 4. Infuse leaf water. Soak 4 to 5 leaves in water overnight. Drink the water first thing in the morning for detox and kidney health. 5. Leaf paste. Pound leaves into a paste. Apply on the forehead for headache or on joints for arthritis relief. Cautions: pregnancy and breastfeeding. It should be avoided during pregnancy because some compounds may stimulate uterus contractions. Liver health. Prolonged or excessive use can put stress on the liver due to the pyroxidine alkaloids that may be toxic in high amount. Dosage. Always use in moderation. Overuse of raw juice, extracts, or decoctions may lead to nausea, stomach upset, or toxicity. Allergic reaction. Some individuals may develop skin irritation if using fresh leaves on wound for so long. Children. It is not recommended for infants and very young children unless guided by a professional. In herbal practice, it is usually advised to use Bryophyllum Pinnatum short-term in measured doses and not continuously for months. Thank you for watching Nature's Cure TV. You have just discovered another gift from Nature's Pharmacy here on Nature's Cure TV. Join us as we explore more herbs and their healing secrets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so more people can discover the healing power of nature. See you in the next episode.